how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So let's just jump right in. First of all, you are going to be heading over to your Binance. Once you are there, you're going to be heading over to your portfolio at the bottom right side of your screen. Then you are going to be simply clicking on takeout and sell crypto. Then you are going to be selecting your crypto. We have our USDT and sorry, not sell. Yeah, so since we are going to be sending from Tonkeeper to Binance, we need address. So click on add funds and deposit crypto USDT and Tron TRC20. The second address needs to be copied. Copy that. Head over to your Tonkeeper account. Click on send. Enter in here the address. Click on this paste option. Allow paste. Enter the amount of tone and click on this continue option. That is currently grayed out since I do not have the funds, but you got the point. That's how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance.